Thank you so much for tuning in, Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today I have an exciting video for you. Finally, I get to install this chrome delete kit on this 2026 Gas Outlander, and this one here just goes around the dynamic shield parts. We'll check it out exactly right now, how to install it, how it covers it all. And it's a new product. You can find it right now on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca, and I'm gonna also put the link in the video description. And as per usual, it's free shipping to Canada, to US, wherever you buy it, I'll ship it free to you. So right now, let's get going. Let's see how it's gonna look, and I think it'll look fantastic. So the same body kit, by the way, you can use for any new body style gas or PHEV. So let's get going and let's see how it's gonna look. So we're gonna proceed, and pretty much what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that all the chrome details are cleaned up. I already did it with fiberglass, glass cleaner, everything is degreased. And you know, it consists of a few sections here, the dynamic shield, and that's how you put the, put them on. So important part is just not to rush. Take your time and you'll be fine. So first we want to make sure that we have found the right fittings, right spots, and then just kind of align it where you want to be. So we have this part, and then we'll have the lower part right here. And then also around the fog light, we have this one right here. And we also always need to make sure that we get the right parts and install the right parts on every angle that we do. Okay, so now that we kind of found the right fitment here, we want to make sure that we install them properly. Now, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky, so you gotta take your time, don't rush, because if you're not putting it properly, then you might run in a little bit problem here. So we're gonna tap these together like this, make sure we have everything right. So now we have here everything lined up, and here's what we're gonna do. So we wanna hold it tight right here, and then we're gonna lift it up a little bit, and we're gonna start removing the tape, and we're gonna press it back here so it sticks on here, and then we're gonna remove this part, and we're gonna just go like this further up, just to make sure that we have this nice proper fitment. And as we go around the dynamic shield angle here, again, we just line it up and stick it on like this. And just again, take your time, don't rush at all. There we go. It's a nice install process, nice and easy. And after this is going to be done, we're going to take the fiber cloth, and we're going to push it a little bit here around the angle. We need to make sure that we tape it properly. There you go. And now the same way, we take the bottom piece and we do exactly the same thing. So we find where it needs to sit. Okay, this is it. Then we remove it a little bit like this, and we start the process like that on here as well. Move here, and again, don't rush. Just take your time. We don't want to put it on and then discover that it wasn't glued properly. So there we go, beautiful. And now that's left is this bottom part right here, which again, we're gonna find the perfect fitment for it. There we go, it's beautiful. Will look so good. And again, do the same thing. Now here is this very fine line up top, so we got to make sure we're mindful around that part when we install it. Don't rush. Take your time. And like this. There we go. Okay. Now we can step back a little bit and just to see how it looks from this side. This nicely covered. And we do still see a little bit of like chrome coming through, and that's a beautiful design with the these you know, cross lines that we go against the grille. So in this part we can see how it looks if we have just chrome left. And that one there is with the black edition. So then after it's installed, we want to just maybe apply a little bit more pressure, cleaning off our fingerprints. And now it, you know, we leave it to settle in, and it will be very, very durable for the car washes and everything else. But after it's installed, we do want to make sure that we do put a little bit pressure on so it sticks on properly. There we go. So, and again, I want to step back a few steps just to see how it looks with and without. And I think it makes a really good visual impact, especially on this gray color. It looks really, really cool. And again, you can do that install on any new body style. So right now, I'm going to apply the same thing right here. And I think it turned out great. Thank you for watching the install video, and I hope you have fun installing yours as well.